In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze frame a video in CapCut. To get started, open CapCut in your web browser. Once you're in, open a project that already contains the video clip you want to edit. If your project takes a moment to appear, just give it a few seconds to fully load before doing anything else. This is important because if the editor is still loading, some controls may not respond properly and your timeline may not display everything accurately. After the project is ready, look for your video clip on the timeline. The timeline is the main area where your media is arranged and edited, so this is where you'll make the freeze frame effect. Next, drag the playhead to the exact frame you want to freeze. The playhead is the vertical line that shows your current position in the video. Move it carefully, since the freeze frame will be created at that precise moment. Once you think you've found the right frame, take a second to confirm that the playhead is positioned correctly. This is a good habit, especially if you want to freeze on a specific facial expression, action, or visual detail. A small adjustment here can make a big difference in the final result. When the playhead is in the right spot, click the video clip on the timeline to make sure it's selected. Then, locate the toolbar above the timeline. In that toolbar, find the Freeze button. Once you see it, click Freeze. CapCut will then create the freeze frame for you. Give it a moment to process. After that, review the timeline and look closely at the area where your playhead was placed. You should see that a freeze frame segment has been added at that exact position. This confirms that CapCut inserted the effect into your clip. Now click the play button to preview the result. As the video plays, watch the moment where the action pauses. Review the frozen frame during playback and make sure it looks smooth and happens where you intended. If everything looks right, then the freeze frame effect has been successfully applied. This is a simple but very effective editing technique for emphasizing a moment, adding dramatic pause, or drawing attention to a detail in your video. With just a few clicks, you can create a clean freeze frame effect directly inside CapCut.